Hey everybody, Brian from the Cabinet Joint. Today I just want to talk real quick about an option we have for dealing with plumbing and pipe chases and so forth in base cabinets. A little background, as kitchen designs have changed over the years, more open floor plans, more windows. We don't have as many wall cabinets to work with, so people have really been making base cabinets become powerhouse storage cabinets. So we're looking for storage even in cabinets that have sinks in them or a range. We're looking for storage below those appliances or the sink. And so this option I have in front of me here is called the recessed back option for a drawer box. And it allows us, or you, to put your plumbing here. This is obviously standing vertically, the drawer would go in that way. But this is where your P-trap or J-trap would go, your gas feed for your gas range above, whatever. It allows you to get some storage. There is a little bit of things you need to understand before you order this though. We can change this notch, both depth, width, and placement for you. The way we call that out is this leg of the drawer box is A, this leg is B, and this depth is C. So what you give us is the A dimension, B dimension, C dimension, and these can be 4 inches or up. It can no less than 4 for the left and right, the A and the B, and the C has to be at least 3 5/8. So you can't do a little teeny 2-inch notch. It's got to be at least 3 5/8 deep, and this has to be at least 4, and that has to be at least 4. These do not have to be the same. You can offset the U anywhere you want to accommodate your particular plumbing situation. So bear that in mind, because if you have an offset sink, no, not a problem. If your gas feed isn't coming out right in the dead center, not a problem. I might suggest that when you order these, you have to be very, very, very mindful of where your plumbing is ultimately going to be. When you're ordering your cabinets, your countertops aren't even on yet because you haven't built the cabinets yet. So sometimes I might suggest you order this when you know where your plumbing's actually coming out of the wall. Sometimes it's better to order these after the fact. If you're really good at planning, it's not necessary, but if you're kind of concerned about things not fitting or how big or deep do I make that notch because my plumbing's not in, you can always order the drawer later. The drawer box has to be a minimum of, I think it's 8.5 deep. So you can't do a really shallow drawer, obviously, because this has to be a 3 5/8. So you have to have at least an 8 or 8.5 inch drawer. It's in the manual on the website. So bear that in mind with your dimensions. Feel free to use this anywhere you can. At least it gives you some storage. You can still put some kind of a divider in there if you wanted to. It gives you something below your sink or your range or wherever to make use of some of those odd spaces that before were just open areas with ugly plumbing there. So if you have any questions, your cabinet coach can help you with the ordering process, and just reach out to us anytime you want. We're there to help you. Thanks for watching. Take care.